What is up, y'all, and welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I have a watching me work on this tri-colored ombre wig. If you want to see how I achieve this look, then just keep on watching. Alright, so here is some of the stuff that I thought I was gonna need. I didn't use all of this, but yeah, so get a good look. And this, I really only used the little dye brush or whatever it's called in there. But yeah, that's what I needed. And this is the wig I got it from my local beauty supply store. I believe it's a 22-inch body wave, and I went to go wash it real quick with that shampoo. And please do not focus on the walls. That wasn't my room I was in, but yeah, we're not gonna get into that. So just focus on the wig. So yeah, I'm just combing it out. Of course, you want to start from the bottom. I don't know why like the toner didn't take all the way like throughout the entire wig, but it's whatever. There was a little bit of shedding right there after washing it, but yeah, it wasn't too much. It wasn't too bad. So here I am using the Got To Be products to protect the lace before I dye the wig, so that the dye does not get on the lace and dye the lace. So you want to use a generous amount of the gel right there and coat the lace using that brush. And then you're going to take your dryer and dry that. I would suggest using a cool setting, but this specific dryer didn't have one, so it was whatever. Yeah, but just make sure it's all the way dry before you use the spray, which I'm gonna do right now. So yeah, use the spray a good amount on there too. And then after you do that, you want to get the dryer again and dry that. And you can either let it sit, if you have time, like let it sit for a few hours, or just keep, drying it. But you'll know it's ready when it's hard. And it'll be a lot easier if like you didn't have a wig, if you just had like bundles in the frontal, but whatever. So y'all seen the dyes that I'm gonna use, so I'm just putting them in the bowl. So I didn't end up using that second color, I don't think. Yeah, I didn't use that second color at all. I just ended up putting it back in the bottle. But I paused because I didn't realize that that conditioner was going to be yellow. I just wanted a conditioner to like make it a little bit brighter and to like add, more products so that I don't run out of dye. But here I am sectioning off the lace from the rest of the hair. And then I'm just gonna braid that to get it out of the way. I didn't have a spray bottle to use water, so I just poked some holes in the water bottle and we're gonna make shit shake. So yeah, when you are wetting your hair, you want to wet it just so that it's damp, not really like wet, you know, like you just washed it, but just to get it damp so that when you apply the dye, it'll be easier to ombre. So first I'm going to start with the perimeter of the section and just put that on the just on the roots. Now let me tell y'all, I've never done anything like this ever. I've dyed wigs before, but it's usually like the whole thing. I've never like did an ombre like this, but I mean, as y'all can see, it didn't come out that bad. So yeah. So yeah, you just want to part it in little sections and just put a little bit on the root and make sure you know, working it up in there. And then we're gonna go ahead and do the other side. Okay, so boom. Next color is the light pink. So I put it on there first, and then I'm using my fingers to like ombre them together or like into each other so that it's like an actual ombre. So yeah, I am taking it down a little low, like the pink color, but honestly when I get to the orange part, it'll still look good. Like it's, you know, yeah. But anyways, yeah, you're just gonna basically do that to every section. Just put the pink dye like right below the lighter pink. Put the lighter pink right below the darker pink, and then just use your fingers to like mix it in together. Okay, so y'all know how like on a wig it has like in the back it has like a bunch of tracks. So basically what I did was like section it off like based on the track. So I went like 2 tracks at a time so that it wasn't, you know, too much hair and like it wouldn't like, you know, go all the way through. But yeah, I just sectioned it off like 2 tracks at a time. And basically do the same thing as I did in the front, except this time I didn't wet it. I don't know why. Just, I guess, like, I was just trying to hurry up and get done. And really, it's the back. Like, who really cares about the back? Who really cares about the back? Like, it's gonna get covered up with the hair that's on top. So really, if anything, the most important part is the front and like the top of the back, if that makes sense. Because like that hair is gonna get like this, all this is gonna be covered up. It doesn't even really matter. But yeah, so basically I just did the same thing. I don't know why, but this part was kind of thick back here, so I had to like really massage it in, like real good. And I kind of took that bit down low, but like I said, it's the back, so who really cares? But yeah, you basically just do the same thing, y'all. Slap that pink, the light pink under the dark pink, and then just massage it together. Except on this part, I will, after I'm done, just to like protect the other hair, I'm going to cover it with the foil wraps, which honestly I should have did on the frontal, but I don't know, I just wasn't thinking. But like I said, as y'all saw, I didn't really even need to do that. But yeah, and really I should have like went above and then went from under and then wrapped it above, but it's whatever. I mess up so y'all can know what, not to do. But it didn't come out bad, so I guess, whatever. Anyways, I'm gonna just let y'all watch this and I will come back in a little bit. So after I washed the hair out, that's what it was looking like. Now I'm gonna use a little bit of these two dyes at first, and I think I used hot water, but it was like more room temperature than hot. So here I'm just using the dip method to dip that wig, and it wasn't coming out as orange as I wanted it to, so I ended up using like all of the dye because I wanted it a really fiery orange. To be honest, I should have added a little bit of red, but it's whatever. It still came out cute. So yeah, mix that real good. Make sure it's not any like lumps of dye, because that will transfer onto the wig. And basically just keep working that in the water. You can let it sit for a little bit. You can like do one dip higher than the other. Just continue to like work the hair in the water, like play with it, you know what I'm saying? Just have fun. Basically, y'all, I was just doing stuff like, you can really just let it sit or just keep, dipping it like that. But this is me adding more dye because I wanted it more orange. I wanted it as orange as it could be. was just gonna keep going until I got the color I wanted. Just doing stuff like, what is this? What am I even doing, y'all? I don't know why I'm playing with the water like that. I really don't. But yeah, after this, I just gave it a quick wash and I let it air dry overnight. And then once I style it and put it on, I will show you guys a video. And I will be uploading a video of me actually applying this wig soon. So make sure you guys stay tuned for that. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. Look at that. Look at that. Just gorgeous. Gorgeous. Yeah. Serve them, baby. Serve them. With the curls. Yeah.